guys, I'm back. So this is the I'm gonna remove the makeup set. So this is the wait. How did my sister did this? So this is nail section. It has another one. This is the glitter, two glitters, and the nail thing. And this is the two lipstick. This is the red one, and this is the pink one. I I like pink, but I wanted it, but I'm sorry. So let's do um makeup now. It's for kids, so I removed this this glass. It's ceramic.